me, Christy. And this is my math game for all my neighbor Pablo.
Let's open it.
I couldn't open it. I need my mom's help.
Okay.
Please keep on watching when I open my new game. Please keep on watching when I open my new game.
Wow. What are those?
These are flashcards. 3 plus 5. This is the number 3. This is the number 5. This is the number. This is the number 3. This is the number 5. 3 plus 5 equals 3 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8! 7 plus 9 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This is 9. And then plus 7, 10, 11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
Woohoo! 7 plus 8
You show them before you put it down.
equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15! 5 plus 5 plus 10 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15?
Yes. That's right.
And this one too, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7 plus 8 is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15 also.
6 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11!
6 plus 5 is
11. 6 plus 5 equals 11.
very good.
This is about math. Thank you, Pablo, for my gift. 4 plus 9 equals
Here like this. Near you. Near you.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4
Plus 9,
plus 9 equals
5, 6, 7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
13.
12. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.